The Galaxy S25 Ultra is undoubtedly shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025. With just a few weeks left before the official launch event, the hype surrounding this device is building up. Leaks, rumors, and renders are flooding the tech world, giving us a sneak peek at what to expect from Samsung's flagship. From stunning design changes to cutting-edge performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is packed with features that promise to take the smartphone experience to the next level. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to offer a fresh look with a refined frame and slightly rounded edges, giving it a more ergonomic feel. This subtle shift from the sharp corners seen in its predecessor is an exciting upgrade, making the device feel smoother and more comfortable in hand. Samsung is also giving this model a premium look, with a titanium finish available in multiple colors, including the signature titanium blue. Additionally, exclusive colors will be available, but they'll only be offered directly through Samsung's website. The carefully designed rear panel will feature a distinctive camera bump, housing some of the most advanced lenses on the market today. While the design stands out, it's the internal specs that really steal the show. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to outperform every previous flagship, with impressive Geekbench scores in single-core and multi-core tests. It's no surprise that Samsung has chosen this overclocked chipset, promising a performance boost that will make multitasking, gaming, and content creation smoother than ever. Paired with a base configuration of 12 GB of RAM, it ensures a fluid user experience across all applications. When it comes to the display, the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't holding back. Samsung is reportedly pushing the limits with a massive 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen capable of reaching up to 3,000 nits in peak brightness. That means you can expect exceptional visibility even in direct sunlight, making it a game changer for outdoor usage. Not only is the brightness impressive, but the display is also built with second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor glass, which offers superior durability while maintaining clarity. Additionally, the screen will feature a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth transitions and an immersive experience for everything from gaming to scrolling. Now let's talk about what's possibly the most exciting feature, the camera setup. Samsung is stepping up its game with a 5-lens configuration that brings together the best of both worlds: Sony's advanced optics and Samsung's own ISO-CELL sensors. The main camera is rumored to be a 200MP ISO-CELL peak tube sensor, capable of capturing stunning detail and sharpness. In addition, we'll have a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 50MP periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP selfie camera. This powerful array of sensors will ensure that no matter the lighting or environment, your photos and videos will look incredible. The rumors don't stop there. Samsung is also bringing a groundbreaking car crash detection sensor to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature, which has already been introduced by Google on the Pixel 8, promises to save lives by detecting car accidents using advanced motion sensors and AI. This level of safety is a significant leap forward, and it begs the question, will this feature become standard across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup? Battery life and charging speed are also a top priority. With a 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to last through even the busiest days. And with 45W fast charging, you'll be able to power up quickly when needed. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, you won't have to worry about running out of juice too soon. One of the most exciting additions to this year's Galaxy flagship is the new MagSafe charging functionality. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use accessories that support magnetic charging, offering even more convenience when charging on the go. Samsung's new cases, designed specifically for MagSafe compatibility, are already available for pre-order, ensuring you can fully take advantage of this new feature. Despite all these upgrades, the S25 Ultra isn't without competition. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are also vying for the top spot in the smartphone market. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, for example, brings a slightly different approach, focusing on efficiency with its new 18 Pro chip and exceptional video capabilities. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a balance of performance, display, and camera prowess, making it a more well-rounded device for those who prioritize power and versatility. The Galaxy S25 lineup is expected to be officially launched on January 22, 2025, with devices hitting the shelves by February 7. While pricing details are still under wraps, Samsung is anticipated to offer pre-order perks like discounts and enhanced trade-in values, so fans won't have to wait too long to get their hands on the next big thing. So, will the Galaxy S25 Ultra be the phone to beat in 2025? With its stunning design, impressive performance, and groundbreaking features, it's looking like a serious contender for the title of the best smartphone of the year. Stay tuned for the official reveal, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we dive deeper into everything the Galaxy S25 has to offer.